Hi guys, today I will tell you about ideal body weight. Ideal body weight is very important to set the ventilator parameter, particularly the tidal volume. So those nurses who are working in critical care area, they must know how to calculate the ideal body weight. In critical care area where the ventilator are used, we deal different kind of populations. So we deal with males, some are very heighted and some have short height. So same happen with the female. So how we calculate the ideal body weight for these? Is there a same formula or different? Let's see. There are two different formulas, one for male and second one for female. Here first we calculate the ideal body weight for the male. This is a formula to calculate the ideal body weight. All things are given except the height, so you must need to measure the patient height, and you can measure it very easily. Let's take an example for better understanding. Calculate the ideal body weight of a patient. His height is 164 centimeter. Put the formula. So in the formula we have a height in inches, but in example we have a height in centimeter. So here we need to convert the centimeter into inches. We can convert it very easily by dividing the centimeters into 2.5. Like 164 centimeter is to divide it by 2.5 is equal to 65.6 inches. So we divided the centimeter over 2.5, we can get the inches. So put all these value in the formula. Firstly solve the bracket, multiply the 5.6 into 2.3 and add the given result into 50. So here is your ideal body weight. By using this formula you can calculate ideal body weight. Now it's time to calculate your own body weight. So let's move toward the female. We can calculate the ideal body weight of a female by using this formula. It is similar to male ideal body weight calculator, but here the difference is only 45.5 instead of 50. In male, here they put the 50. Let's take an example. I calculate body weight, ideal body weight of a patient having height 160 centimeter. Write down the formula, convert the centimeter into inches and put all these value into ideal body weight formula. Solve them. So here is your result. The ideal body weight is 62.88. Now calculate the ideal body weight of a female having the height of 168 centimeter. I hope you understand it very well. If you have any question, can comment, and see you later.